Multiplying and dividing integers. Let's use the number line to show negative 2 times 3. We know that negative 2 times 3 means negative 2 3 times. If I start at 0 and I do negative 2, that's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. I know my answer would be negative 6. Let's look at it using number tiles. Positive 2 times a negative 3 means I'm going to put in 2 groups of negative 3. So there's one group of negative 3, and there's 2 groups of negative 3. One group of negative 3, 2 groups of negative 3. Shows me altogether I have negative 6. Let's look at number 3. For number 3, negative 2 for the first number means I'm going to have to take out some tiles. So in order to take out tiles, I have to start with some tiles in there. So I'm going to place, let's put 7 tiles in. Now I can't just start with positive 7, I have to start with 0. So I'm going to put in 7 positives and negatives. That will make 0. So negative 2 times negative 3. Negative 2 means that I'm going to take out 2 groups of 3 negatives. So let's take out 2 groups. There's one group of 3 negatives. There's 2 groups of 3 negatives. I have taken out 2 groups. This does take out 2 groups of 3 negatives. Now I look and see what I'm left with. These cancel out and are still 0. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. Multiplying and dividing integers. This is a triangle that you can use to help determine the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. For example, if I have a negative times a negative, I know that the answer will be a positive. Let's look at it from another angle. If I have a positive times a negative, I know that the answer will be a negative. So these are the rules. First one, a positive times a positive will give me a positive answer. A positive times a negative, one of each sign gives me a negative answer. A negative times a positive will also give me a negative answer, one of each. And last, a negative times a negative will give me a positive. Please copy this triangle and the rules onto your notes. Pause the movie to do so. Next, I'd like you to practice these problems. Use the triangle and use your notes to do practice problems 1 through 6, and then get them checked by your teacher.